Hey everyone, I'm excited to introduce Frappe Assistant Core version 2.2.0, a complete rebuild that brings modern authentication, web client support, and a dramatic, simplified setup experience. This is the biggest update yet, and I can't wait to show you what's new. So version 2.2.0 represents a fundamental shift in how FAC works. So we moved from stdio subprocess transport to streamable HTTP and from API key to OAuth 2.0. So what does this mean to you? It means FAC now works with Claude Web, ChatGPT, and other browser-based tools, and any HTTP capable client. So no more configuration files, no more environment variables, and it's just clean modern industry standard authentication. So let me break down the key highlights. First, OAuth 2.0 security. So we have implemented industry standard OAuth 2.0, replacing the old API key system. This includes automatic token refresh, PKCE for enhanced security, and full compliance with RFC standards. Second, web client support. Works with Claude Web, ChatGPT, or Perplexity, MCP Inspector, and any browser-based tools. This opens up entirely new possibilities of how you interact with your Frappe system. Third, simpler deployment. Instead of managing sub-processes, you now have a clean HTTP endpoint. It's easier to deploy, easier to debug, and easier to scale. Fourth, auto-discovery. Clients discover endpoints automatically via the well-known standard. No manual configurations needed. Fifth, the better UX. After installation, it's literally zero configuration. Install, authenticate, and you're ready to go. Let me show you how easy setup is now. Install Frappe Assistant Core using the bench commands. Use bench get app to pull the Frappe Assistant Core app, and use bench install app to install it within your site. Once that is done, go to your MCP endpoint and log in. So I'm logging as administrator. Go to desk and search for FAC admin. This is the administrative page. And copy this MCP endpoint. So now, go to LLM client. Here, I'll be using Claude Web. Let's now add a new connector. I'm going to go to settings and go to connectors. I'll add a custom connector. I'm going to give a test FAC and going to paste the URL which I just copied and click on add. So you could see here that the connector is already added. So now let me connect. So your browser opens for authorization. So let me approve it. That's it. So no config files, no environment variables, and no manual setup. And here you could see all the tools available from the FAC. So we've also made significant improvements to the user interface. The new FAC admin page gives you your MCP endpoint at a glance. Plugin management, which with proper state persistence, real-time connection status, and clear visual feedback. So plugin tooling now works reliably. The issues fixed are with plugin IDs and state persistence. Everything refreshes properly and maintains its state across sessions. So for those interested in technical details, here's what's under the hood. We have implemented a complete OAuth 2.0 stack, including RFC 7591 for dynamic client registration, RFC 8414 for authorization server metadata, RFC 9728 for protected resource metadata, RFC 7636 for PKCE, And there's automatic token refresh and CORS support for public clients. The custom server is optimized specifically for Frappe. There's native support for Frappe data types, which includes datetime and decimal. There's no Pydantic dependency for a lighter footprint, full error traceback for easier debugging, and deep Frappe integration with Frappe permissions and session management. So Frappe Assistant Core version 2.2.0 is now available on GitHub. Check out the release notes for the full changelog and migration guide if you're upgrading from an earlier version. Links to the documentation, GitHub issues, and discussions are in the description below. You can also reach me directly at the email provided in the description. Thank you for being part of this journey. Upgrade today and experience the future of Frappe AI integration. Happy building.